Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places.
That includes the places and the people we meet. In general, for rich culture.
This is YaadMentz Season 3.
Season 3. Hey guys, welcome to
Hey,
another episode in Season 3.
Yep.
This is our fried chicken showdown.
Yes.
We have 3 main brands here. We have KFC. As you can see, we have Mother's and we have
Tastee.
Tastee. These are some of the main fried chicken outlets that you can get a nice fried chicken meal from. We all know that KFC is the most popular one, and then there's the rest. But I do think they all have good support and good fried chicken person fan base. I don't know if that's a thing, but anyway, yeah. So today I am going to be blindfolded. I'm going to test my taste buds to see if I know my fried chicken. I mostly eat KFC, so that should be easy for me. And I do double with the Tastee from time to time because it's near my workplace. And then the Mother's not so much. So you know, we wanted to have juicy as well in the showdown, but they didn't have any fried chicken, so we settled for the main 3. And if you want to see me blindfold and see if I know my chicken, which I should know my chicken, think I'm going to win this one?
No.
I'm not going to win.
I don't think he's going to win, guys.
But if you want to see more of the showdown, stay tuned. Devon is going to blindfold me and we're going to get into this fried chicken tasting and thing. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys. Alright everybody, welcome back. As you saw, I blindfolded Sean and took out the boxes, have them laid out here. So we are going to ask Sean to choose whether he wants 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. And I will start with that one.
Okay, I think I would just go in order. So I'll start with this one, the extreme right.
Okay, this one over here?
Yeah, so you can
All
open
right.
the box and thing. See if I know what I want to. Alright. So I'll go on. Smell nothing yet. When I smell nothing yet.
Alright, I'm gonna use a fork.
Okay. I smell that one. I smell burnt. Okay.
Take a bite.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
You won't have any comments?
It kind of smelled burnt at first. I think that one kind of might be the Mother's. I don't know, but I think that one might be the Mother's. Let me see the second one.
So you want to guess at the end then?
Yeah, I'll guess at the end. That might be the Mother's, but we'll guess at the end. So I'll go for the next one.
Alright, let's see how the next one will go.
Well, I'm going to get a little water wash up on my
Yes,
card.
get little water.
Find the water quickie.
Mine is seen.
I hurry up. Put the water right here.
Oh,
Alright. So I'm going for the next one, you know.
Alright.
Boy, yeah, that's right, chicken bread.
We're quite nearly dropped though.
Where y'all going with? You can't waste chicken, you know.
Can't.
What's up? You know that one, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, I think that one that KFC, I don't know.
Alright. Any water? Want to drink your water?
Yeah. Yeah, man, that one that tastes like KFC, definitely. So we're going for the last one, yeah?
Can't afford for you to drop a... Can't afford for you to drop.
Okay.
That's a He was just eating piece of the box. Funny.
Alright. The one that tastes new. Yeah, the one that tastes. We never taste the one yet.
Yeah.
But give me something with my wipe on. More greasy.
Very.
Give me something with my wipe on.
Very greasy. You know, say a fried chicken, so you know, I feel like a napkin and
the last one kind of greasy though, I don't know. But alright, ready for guess now.
Alright, so the first one.
The first one is Tastee, the second one is KFC, and the last one is Mother's.
Wow! Is that your final answer? Are you sure?
Just like that.
Wow, okay. Alright, you want me to take off the blindfold?
Of course, I'm ready to see where we're going.
Alright. So, the only one you got right was KFC. So, the first one you had was Mother's.
I felt like that one was Mother's, you know.
And I was like, wow, you're gonna get it right for the first. Anyway, second one was KFC, so he was right. Ding, ding, ding. And the third one was actually Tastee.
Darn.
Yeah, so we're gonna go through. Yeah. We're gonna go through the prices. Each of them have different things that they come with. So first of all, KFC. This is what they call the chicken box, and you get fries, and biscuit. One piece of chicken and a biscuit, and the cost for that is $350. For the Mother's, you get only one piece of chicken, no fries, no roll, nothing, and the Mother's was for $285. And then this one, Tastee, you get one piece of chicken and a roll, and the cost for that was $230. So this is what we have. As you know, there are other places that have other fried chicken, and of course, you know, so you can go to the cook shop, you know, and get your fried chicken. But these are the more mainstream ones here in Jamaica. So that was our Showdown. Which one was your favorite, you'd say? KFC, no doubt, right? Because you were like, this tastes good. Yeah, I guess I'll try some of them. You want me to try them now?
Of course. So
I know what KFC tastes like, so
we'll go with KFC last. I mean, the presentation again, as Devon said, you get fries and you get biscuit with this and a piece of chicken for $320 versus you go to Mother's and you get one little piece of chicken for $200 and something. You just put a little extra and buy the KFC. I think it's worth it. With Tastee, you get the biscuit with it, with the piece of chicken. For how much? What is it? For $230. So you better have going to a Tastee than the Mother's, because the Mother's you just get one sauce of chicken in a box. You know, but if you have a little more, you just go to KFC, go get a fries and a biscuit, and you can go buy one drink somewhere, or you can buy the combo, because you do have combo for all of them. But if Mother's is at $280 for that one piece, imagine how much a combo will be. So I would definitely recommend you go to KFC with your money to get a decent, you know, one piece of chicken meal. Yeah,
big up KFC Jamaica. If you're watching, big up yourself. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Yeah, man, that's yeah, man.
KFC is definitely the place for us. We love KFC like
we go to KFC a lot still.
We love KFC like Terry Carell love it. She love it.
She love KFC.
Yeah, she love KFC.
Yeah, we go to KFC a lot. So.
But what should I say now? I think Tastee was my least favorite. Mother's not so bad. It kind of burn, but it's not so bad. It kind of have a little more flavor than the
smell the burn that
than the Tastee. And KFC, I'm not even going to try that. I'm just going to eat it off camera because I know it tastes good. KFC is my favorite, so I'm going to get down in it. So I want to definitely thank you again for tuning in. This was our fried chicken showdown. Comment down below if there are any other showdowns you want us to do, any other places you want us to visit. Thank you again for watching YaadMentz, and we will see season 3 actually. And we will see you in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching another episode in YaadMentz season 3. We really hope that you enjoyed this episode.
Yes, and we want you to also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to watch the previous video if you missed it. YaadMentz season 3.